Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're returning, you're welcome. If you're a new timer, welcome. Just what you have to do for me, I'm pleading, just have to press the subscribe button, then also the bell button which comes alongside with it for you to be notified whenever I'm posting any videos. Now, for today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to import letterheading or a letterhead into Microsoft Word, MS Word in short. Now, there are already existing letterheadings which might not be written on using any other app. So in today, I'll be teaching us on how to import an already existing letterheading or letterhead into Microsoft Word using your phone. For those of us that want to learn on how to create a letterheading, you can actually comment in the comment section. Then I'll get to upload the tutorial for you. Now, let's go to the business of today. First thing first, we have to get an already existing letterheading. You can as well, if you don't have any, you can as well download from Google or Chrome. But know that it must be in your documents. So mine is saved already in my gallery. What I have to do now is to launch in my MS Word. Now I've launched in. Now on this cross menu, just click it, just follow the procedure, follow the cursor, follow my method. If it is not in document, most of the times you usually send in this personal or OneDrive, then you put it in your document. Now click on the blank paper. Now we are into a new interface. What I have to do is to go to setting. First of all, you change your document to either letterheading. You can just say my letterheading. Then click here, it's saved. Now what you have to do is to go to your settings, set up some things. Like here, your font size is 11, set to 16. Click here. Then also go here, go to your layout, set your margin to 0. If you should check my margin, my custom setting, it is already in 0 because I've been using this app for some kind of works. So I've already set mine to 0. Then that is it. Make sure that all about the margin is set to 0. Then what you have to do next is to scroll down to check the size of your paper. Your paper size is already in letters. This is letters. Normally letters is also cool, okay, but I normally use my A4 size for a better effect, a better printing if I want to print out my work. So as it is now, I'm done setting some things. So what I will do is to go to this menu where I will now import my letterheading. I will click in this menu or on this menu. Now you go to scroll to modify. As this symbol is showing downward, that means this is from the newest to the oldest. If it is showing up, that means it's showing from the oldest to the newest, which is going up. So now because my letterheading was saved recently, I had to scroll down, which is from the newest to the oldest, then scroll. That depends on where and when you saved or got your letterheading. So mine is still new. Mine is still new, seems like. Now this is it. You click on it, then go to open, which will bring you to where a new interface. What you have to do is to click done. Then it has zoomed in your letter heading. In this case, what you have to do is to click here. If you don't want to click here, you can as well click here. They all mean the same thing. You click here to get in your text box where you're going to write your letter. But this will be kind of technical where you use your hand to drag this. I'm going to drag this. You drag this with your hand, then you zoom out. But please make sure that it's in the middle. In the middle of your letter heading. For a clearer view, it's landing. Then still drag, but don't drag too much. So now, when you're done, you can click on this to edit it. You can click on that. You can click on that. I'm trying to edit it. Then you press edit text. Then also drag. Your edit text means you should edit the inside text. Already given text which is not needed, can just as you can see, it has been cleared. Now all you need to do is to start typing. You can just start typing anything. Sorry. You enable it by clicking here, then start typing.